It's really about how do we connect intelligently, no matter the silo or function, the distance, the difference. So, back 7 years ago, I was working with a lot of global Fortune 500 teams that had to master connectional intelligence and drive teamwork and innovation. COVID hit, and literally every company in the world cared about connectional intelligence because many went virtual or
Yeah.
hybrid, from the tech company to the insurance company to the law firm. Then I worked with lots of clients around hybrid work strategies. How do we maximize in person time and virtual time? And I think one of the things I've been most excited about is I was able to spark a different conversation about how do we connect in person better? Remember all those terrible in person meetings where everyone nods their head and then nothing gets done 3 weeks later? And so I really challenge CEOs and executives to realize, what do we miss most when we're not in person? So what do we do differently when we are brainstorming, team spirit, innovation? I know one executive that after one of my keynotes flipped the model of how he runs his town hall. So instead of coming on stage and speaking for an hour, what he does now is he sends a video update of his town hall business update 1 week before and has all the employees watch it. And then when they're in person, he has all of his employees share ideas with him because he posts questions in advance. And he said, I never want to go back to the old school lecture in person. When we are in person, I want to connect very intelligently and differently to maximize collective expertise.
Yeah.
And I think we're going through another shift now with AI where we have these new tools. But again, it's really going to be about how we collaborate effectively with these tools that will make or break whether the adoption leads to business outcomes.
That's a brilliant example of the shifting sands and saying, okay, I'm going to optimize the time, the resource. It's so precious. It's a treasure. We have everybody together. And then you fold in society's mind today with the attention span, and people are like, I can watch this on a video. So it's just a great reading of the room, metaphorically speaking. You do that work beforehand, you soften the ground, and then you have deeper engagement.